Welcome to your advanced training course. Today, we'll be discussing the use of multiple generators on the one network. A simple network with one generator is suitable for smaller towns, but as power demand increases or there is need for redundancy of supplies, you may need to add additional generators. Your single generator network will be spinning at a particular speed, so you need to be careful when connecting an additional generator to it, to make sure they spin at the same speed or frequency when they are first connected. A synchroscope can tell you if the generators are at the same part of their cycle or phase, so you close the circuit breaker at the right time. If the generator is disconnected from the network due to failure, for example, it will need to be resynchronized again. In the event you have multiple generators for your network and a larger one fails, it may also lead to the others failing too. If all your generators fail, this is called a black start event. You can slowly restore generators on your network one by one to ensure the network isn't overloading the first one energized. In an ideal world, all the generators will share the network load evenly. However, in reality, there are many factors to consider, such as the distance between the loads and the generators. If you've enabled advanced load sharing, which is enabled by default, you can manually balance the load between your generators to prevent one being overloaded first. When a generator is too heavily loaded, it is able to disconnect certain loads you've nominated to load shed, but if you prefer, you can turn this off. Due to the way the simulations are calculated, having a large number of generators on the network greatly increases the number of calculations performed, so you should preference upgrading existing generators instead of installing new ones where possible. Additionally, only one network will be simulated, so all generators and substations must be connected together for them to function and the status displayed in the user interface. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for you to keep up with the demand.